Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion, the Christmas Eve discussion for December 24th, 2015. Of course, if you walk outside today, you probably would wonder whether or not you actually live in Florida or New Jersey. It is incredibly warm. We've already blown past our record highs for today, and it's only 9:30 a.m. And if you look out your window, you might be able to see the low-level jet streak that's driving all this warm air into the region as clouds are just jetting from southwest to northeast this morning through the northern mid-Atlantic, and some of those clouds are going to have some showers and some thunderstorms, especially through this afternoon. Currently, we have areas of fog throughout the New York City metro that's starting to lift and give way because of that strong southwesterly wind starting to take hold that's already in place over central and southern New Jersey, where winds are anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. As the warm front lifts northward through Connecticut, you'll experience the same conditions that you're experiencing in New Jersey right now, with the fog rapidly lifting along with the temperatures. Temperatures this morning are in the upper 50s to lower 60s to the north of New York City, but from New York City on southward, you have temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and we will break 70 degrees probably in the next hour, and we will be in the lower to mid 70s. Lower to mid 70s, just going to obliterate the high temperature, the high record temperature for today. It was 66. We're going to be almost 10 degrees higher than that. That is amazing, but it won't last long. So enjoy it while you can. Just short sleeves for Christmas Eve. Wow, this is weird. We can go out and barbecue the shrimp for this evening. But unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you feel, this warm weather will not last long. And in fact, we do have snow, sleet, and rain in the forecast moving forward. So let's get to that. On the surface map, our warm front is rapidly lifting northward. This cold front will be moving through this evening with showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms, especially over central and southern New Jersey, will have the potential to be severe. Now, that's going to be pretty isolated. I think your best potential is going to be down towards Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, those areas. However, a few of these thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Fun times, right? When we take a look at the radar, you can see the heavier rainfall is streaming through the southern mid-Atlantic into southeastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey and lifting up towards New York City. We're going to continue to see this stream of rainfall continue through this afternoon, and then you're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms pop up off to the west over central Pennsylvania as the cold front approaches, and that will move through this evening. So a very wet Christmas Eve, that is for sure. Santa's going to need an umbrella to get from house to house tonight, that is for sure. Also possibly a good windbreaker as well with these showers and thunderstorms. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see all that moisture being lifted northward and all the strong lifting right along this cold front, unfortunately producing some very impressive severe thunderstorms over the southeast. So overall, a very stormy Christmas Eve. But by tomorrow, this cold front will be moving through early in the morning with showers and a few thunderstorms, and then clearing out for the afternoon with temperatures falling throughout the day. Your high temperatures will be early in the morning on Christmas Day, and then continue to fall throughout the day as we fall back to, I can't say normal temperatures, but at least we won't be 40 degrees above normal for this time of year. So let's dive into the forecast. For this afternoon, again, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms are possible. A few isolated ones may be severe. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, possibly pushing into the upper 70s in the Philadelphia metro. Just amazing. I never thought I would say that. This evening, again, showers and thunderstorms throughout the region. Temperatures will be in the 60s and will remain in the 60s through midnight. Now, you can see that cold front starting to move through. We have a wave of low pressure developing over portions of the DC metro. By the time we get to Friday morning, that cold front is driving through, dropping south. High pressure is trying to build in. So look for scattered showers in the morning, clearing conditions. Your high temperature on Christmas Day, again, will be around 1, 2 a.m., where we'll be in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then temperatures gradually falling throughout the day, Probably won't notice all that much. What you will notice is the scattered cloud cover by the time we get to the afternoon. And then that cold front's going to stall out on Friday night, and on Saturday rebound as a warm front with periods of showers and thunderstorms, heavy at times. I think the thunderstorms are going to be far more isolated, not severe, but there will be a potential for some very heavy downpours. Now look out to your west. Now here's your snowstorm and blizzard out into the northern plains, back through portions of the central plains and the Rockies. Now this low pressure system will be the beginning of the end of this warm period. And I'm going to show you why. Dive into the forecast here for Sunday. Another very warm day on Sunday. This cold front will move through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. The cold front moves through, and this Arctic high pressure system will remain over Canada, but will drive cold air into the northern mid-Atlantic. So temperatures on Monday will actually be pretty close to where we should be, maybe slightly above normal. We're looking at lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. Those mid 40s might be pushing it, depending on how strong this high pressure system is. So the cold air starts to build in while scattered cloud cover. Then on Tuesday morning, this low pressure system will lift up towards the Great Lakes. This warm front will be pushing northward. And you see how this high pressure system is building south? That's going to support the potential for, and think about this. Today we're talking about mid 70s. By Tuesday morning, we're talking about snow, sleet, and freezing rain, potentially in the morning. Rapidly going to change over along the coast because the way this high pressure system is set up here, you're getting easterly wind, so you might start off with a little bit of snow, sleet. Don't blink because it will quickly change over to rain. But over the interior, like northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, portions of Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, this could be pretty tricky on Tuesday morning with snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So we're going to definitely watch out for that. Low temperatures along the coast would be in the lower to mid 30s, over the interior in the mid to upper 20s. So that's going to be pretty impressive. So we're going to have to watch this very carefully. It could actually be a nice little surprise for some of you in the interior waiting and begging for some snow, not necessarily ice. You might actually get a little bit of your wish and see that snow show up. That low pressure system will lift northward with rain. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 40s, mid to upper 40s along the coast, upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior. And then, as we head into Wednesday, another cold front moved through with scattered rain and snow showers, especially over the interior, the threat for snow showers. We're looking at lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the mid 40s, and then finally, as we head towards the end of the year, New Year's Eve, we'll have a very strong cold front move through with scattered rain and snow showers. Temperatures will be the early morning highs will be in the lower to mid 40s, and then we fall through the 30s on New Year's Eve with a few snow showers. What a way to end the year. 70s, 30s, snow, ice, thunderstorms. We have everything this week over the next 7 days. So that's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I will see you on Monday, and stay safe out there.